Hey everybody, Bruce Michael here, key level trader with my first live trading video, probably over 2 years now. I'm watching LQ, which is La Quinta Holdings. I have an order to go long 2,400 shares at 2061. My stop is going to be roughly 2055. So this order is setting up right now. The order is actually in. The stock is setting up. It's right at key level 3. Which is this line that you see right here, that black line. Finding some resistance there like it should be. And if this order fires off, I will be back with updates. Okay, we got filled in a hurry right after that, and this has marched right up to 2075 plus 2080 now. So I'm up about 400 and change, and this is literally in the last couple of minutes. Gonna let this video run for a little bit here. My target is to get to 21 at first, and I'm going to see how fast we get there. If we get there in a hurry, I may elect to hold on to this longer to see if we can get a little consolidation at key level 5, and then move on up to 8 by the end of the day, which may take a while, but this is moving up pretty good right now. In fact, I have to adjust that stop. Certainly don't want to be taking a loss at this point. I'm going to lock in, where are we now? 2085. I'll go 2068. If it comes back down to 2068, it wouldn't be good. We'll leave it at that and we'll see how it goes. Quick update here. We're stuck at around 2080. It came up as high as 2099, but if you look at this daily chart that I use 130-minute candles for, 3 per day, the high there was 2096 recently, and obviously we came up to that and found resistance again. So it's possible that that $21 area is going to be a little bit of resistance, but I'm going to continue to let this roll. My stop is now at 2070, so I pretty much have nothing at risk, and I'm going to see if I can't get through this 21. I'm going to let it roll and see if we can't get through there. So I will be back with future updates. Quick update, we came down here as low as 2072. My stop was 2070, so got really close to that. Rallied back up here again to key level 5, which is $21 even, which as you saw before was pretty close to that last high. I'm going to let this thing roll. I'm going to keep the stop at 2070. Well, I'll come down 2075 on the stop. I'll move up to 2075 on the stop. Locking in about 280 and seeing if we can't get through this 24 number, which would be appears to be resistance on the daily potentially. And if we can get through that, then I'm hoping for 2160 by the end of the day, which would be a really, really sweet trade. Alright, in the meantime, I'm going to put this back on pause, stop 2075, and hopefully it won't come back down there again. Okay guys, another quick update here. We're reapproaching this 21 level for the third time, and I've moved my stop to 2080, which locks me in, maybe a little bit less than $400 if it comes back down there because of the slippage and commission and whatnot. But anyway, I'm really hoping to get through this 21. There may be still some consolidation here, but my objective is to get through 21. It's now 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I trade on the East Coast, and I'm looking to eventually move through this green line here, and then someplace in between here I want to try and capture the gains, as many of them I can. You can see this thing is just crazy, moving all over the place here. I mean, I might actually come down and hit my stop again here at 2080. We'll see though. Really ratty looking chart. I'll put this down to a 5 for you. And you can see since the time I got in here, this was beautiful setup on a 5, but ever since then it's been just like chopping around and just unable to get really any momentum like it had here. But I'm going to leave this stop at 2080. I got a 10-cent buffer zone between there and here, and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, quick update. This is starting to get real tight here at 21. I'm going to go over to my stop and move that up to 2090 because this really should be breaking out shortly above 21. This chart, by the way, should be with post market enabled. There we go. And still looking, I got a 2090 stop, locks me in roughly $600, and I'm looking to get through this 21 and move on up to the 2160 area. Be back with updates. Okay guys, that did not go as planned. I got stopped out 2090, 648 in the bank. Was hoping for more than that, but I'll take it. Just quickly, if you guys have not seen my videos, you don't know what key levels are, go back, check some of those videos out. They're a little old. This is my first new one in quite some time. Check out my channel. I recently put up a video on using the key levels to create a strategy on trading that uses percentages rather than points. That's interesting. And hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, be well.